at your hole. Oh, just out of the poopers.
Come here, baby. She's going farther in.
It's getting dark. Get out of here.
You're not going to be able to get behind her, sweetheart. Not with all these briars. She's coming back.
I'm going to try to push her sort of over and up.
I can't even find her in the camera. You going to get the food?
Yeah, I'm going to keep trying to stop her from going this way too.
You're going through nothing but briars.
My back, I seriously have pulled like full branches out of me.
Do you want me to do that? I got pants on. I don't see how you're going to push her out, though. Unless you can get behind her.
Is she over there now?
Oh, the bucket of food's there. She's over by the bucket of food.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, slow in on her from this direction. Yep, okay. Good girl. That's it, go up.
Briars are deadly. Adrian's going to be a mess, and she's going to need salve and tick inspection. Oh, I found her. I'll try. She's right in front of me. I think she's just given up. No, don't move. But she's going in farther. God, that poor puppy, her paws are going to be ripped.
Finally, it's about to be dark. We got the last one. So, well, hopefully. All we saw were 5.
You should have cut my sprint.
Yeah, I'm sorry. All right, so we've got 2 little ones in here. This one here, and then we've got 2 up here. They are covered in ticks, but they're fat, and they had a cardboard box out here. It looked like it had some dog food in it, so whoever dumped them left them some food, but they're hungry. Hi, babies. They're thirsty, they're hungry. I am absolutely eaten up. My arms are covered.
You open the door so I can put
Hey guys, we're going home. Well, this is not ideal, but it's makeshift for tonight because they have ticks and fleas and who knows what else, and so I can't have them around any of the other dogs. So thankfully the weather is fine. Not supposed to rain, whatever. They have a dog house that we're gonna fill with blankets. They'll have a big bowl of water, a big thing of food. This is temporary because it's late and we're all really tired. Right, babies? You guys are so thirsty. There was absolutely no water out there.
Okay, I'm going to grab it there and maybe grab some water.
I never used. Wait.
Yeah.
Yep, just him.
It's okay.
He's the quick one.
Come on, babies.
Right.
Come on out. I gotta get that blanket out of there. Hey, everyone. Okay, we're gonna bring you out a nice soft bed. Okay.
Wow. That one's Bob.
No, they have to be Eastern names.
Bob.
Bob's not an
Easter name for Robert.
No. What? Okay, so I am getting ready to take some toys out to the puppies. You will recognize most of these as being from Oink Boxes, which is great for right now. They are all the treat, this one, ignore, I've been painting. They're all the treat dispensing toys, which will keep these puppies busy. I have enough for everyone. You stick the little treats inside. So that's what we're gonna do. Huh? Who pooped so much? Ew. Where am I gonna sit? Oh God, it's everywhere. Hi, are you all happy? I have toys for you. Come on out, baby. Come on out. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Okay, look at all these toys. Ready? Who wants toys? Ready? Want this toy? Do you know what this is? It's a toy. There's treats in it. Oh, see? There's treats in there. You guys are so dirty. Get it. Get it. Okay. Boop. Here's one too. No fighting. There's more. Get this one. Get this one. Ready? Get it. Here's another one. Here's another one. Okay. Get this one. Ready? Get it. You guys need a bath, huh? Here's another one. Hi, sweetie. Okay, ready? And this one too. This one too. There's treats in there. Yeah, you're shy, huh? You're shy, baby. It's okay. Hi, you're not shy at all. No. No, you're crazy. Get this one. Oh, you got it. Hi, big boy. Hi. What? My treaty. Oh gosh, you're all so full. Did you all eat lots of food? You were the troublemaker. Oh, now we're playing? Huh? Now you want to play? Wow. Y'all brave and happy today, but you were a pain in the butt last night. Huh? Hi. Come on. Go. I mean, the whole situation is just crazy. I don't know how people can do this. I was talking about it last night. Yeah, I wouldn't be able. I don't know how you sleep. I don't know how you think about anything else, like for the rest of your life, basically. Except, how are they? What have I done? Are they okay? Are they in pain? Are they dead? Have they been hit by a car? Have they been eaten by a coyote? I just don't get it. Are they cold? Are they hungry? Are they still? Anyways, weird thing is, yeah, since all 5 are boys, it seems pretty unlikely that this is the full litter, and so I would start to question if this was like a backyard breeding thing and they kept the girls to keep inbreeding and making more puppies, or yeah, the boys are useless, but girls can at least make more babies, basically. It's kind of where I'm going with that. Which, so we got 5 boys, all of them. Yeah, you want to play, but only in here, huh? Ow, your little puppy nails. Oh, your little puppy nails. Ready? Go. Yeah, get it. I'm going to try to make this brief. I do mention in some of my other videos, my sanctuary is a 501c3 nonprofit animal rescue, and therefore I do rely on donations. And so to continue to be able to save animals like this in need, all the support I can get is greatly appreciated. And I understand right now is a terrible time to be asking for that help. I know even myself, I'm out of work at the moment. So if you are able, and only if you're able to, I have all the links down below where you can donate. You can either donate directly through our PayPal links, or I always include our Amazon wish lists, which include different toys and enclosures and treats and medications and things like that that I need. I've specifically updated it to include the things that these puppies require. They have worms, they have ticks, they have fleas, and then just keeping them fed and happy until they find their homes. So Again, only if you're able. We greatly appreciate it, and the pets thank you.